So ma'am, paandaro na to ha, kung sa kakondisyon ang iyang engine. So one click ra, no hard start. Good morning mga boss, it's rainy morning good no. Medyo lain kay panahon karon. So it's 18th of July, your Kuya Elmer here. So today mga boss, ngita tag units kay one of our follower from Sikihor. Bali duha yang option. So pwede siya for spot cash for the 280,000 nga budget. And then budget meal ini of body type, it's either sedan and hatchback, and then open for pick up para sad siya for financing, but a budget meal unit nga pick up. So today mga boss, natay duha ka unit i-check or maybe more than pagid ani kay atong tagaan og best offer atong client. Wa gyud problema mga boss no, kay like I always said here at Kuya Elmer Auto Trade, daghan tang mapilian, we can choose more than 3,000 units to select. So let's go mga boss. So by the way mga boss no, ang first unit natin i-check today is it's a 2016 Mazda BT50 pickup 4x2 manual transmission. So let's go. Ma'am, finally na nata sa unit. It's your order. It's 2016 budget meal unit Mazda BT50 4x2 manual transmission. So as we can see sa unit ma'am, interior pa lang daan, hinog rigid kayo, and also the exterior. So we'll proceed. Check na to all angles, exterior, interior, including the engine, and of course ang mga functions niya and documents, mga papers niya. Let's go! So ma'am, check na to engine bay, napaandar na nato no. One click, no hard start. Check na to kung sa kainog ang engine niya ma'am. So oil intact of course. Focus gamay din sir. So abog lang yun ng gamay, but as we can see ma'am, tanawa ang makina, ilaw pagit kayo. Once nga ma-engine detail ni, pwede ka ni lovely kayo. So battery, motor light, gold pag yun na siya, katulad ng mahalon nga motor light, oil intact ma'am. Tanawa ang yahang makina ma'am, tanawa unsa. Actually napay mga markings na from the brand new, na pa makita pa mga markings niya. So once nga ma-engine detail ni, grabe na ni, kasinaw kayo. Unit na ito ma'am, gas and go, super condition kayo. Okay ma'am, as soon as possible ato na i-process for financing. Like I said, one day approval na once you complete your requirements. So thank you. Reserve na ta ma'am.
Maganda, Mel.
Oh.